D2L's Dropbox allows students to submit assignments in various formats, including Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and others. Turnitin.com can also be used to check for plagiarism. And rubrics can communicate assignment expectations and provide specific grading feedback to students. This tutorial shows how to set up Dropbox assignments with plagiarism detection turned on. First, in the navigation bar, select Assessment, and then Dropbox from the menu that appears. Click New Folder, and under the Properties tab, provide a name for the Dropbox assignment. In this case, week number 1, Dropbox. Scroll down and enable the originality check for this folder. Under Evaluation and Feedback, set the score out of to 50 points and link it to the associated item in the electronic gradebook. Scroll further down, click the arrow to show Advanced Originality checking options. Select Allow Submitters to see originality reports. This allows students to see the plagiarism detection report that the system generates. Click Save and New at the bottom and continue the process to set up your remaining Dropbox assignments. Once you've entered the information for all assignments, click Save and Close. And now you see your Dropbox folders located in the assessment area.